Guys, this used to be me. And now this is me. Now, if you want this to be you, you gotta stick with me in this video and I'll let you know how to get like this and not like that. Okay, this is how I used to be. I'm not like that no more. Let's go. Y'all, what is good, y'all? It's your boy, Devontae, aka More Than Greatness, and we are back again with another motherfucking video, okay? And judging by the title, not even judging, just looking at the title, you know why we're here.
You know why I'm here.
I've always wanted to do a video like this. I've done some haircut videos and I did some like products, a few products that I use. I just want to give you guys a few basic tips that I use, not anybody else. I can't, like I said before, I can't speak for nobody else. I can only speak for myself. Just want to show y'all some tips that I use to grow my beard to where it's at right now. I'm actually currently woofing at the moment, so it look kind of wild, but it's definitely full. I just want to share with you guys some tips on how to grow your beard out, and this will help you in the long run with your journey. If you really want to get to that point, be more masculine, look more masculine, and ultimately, you know, be be a beast out there in these streets, okay? So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into it.
Finally!
And I do have my notes, so if you see me looking down, I got my notes that I written down for myself. So yeah, let's jump right into it, y'all. Tip number one, guys, work out. Listen, this has been a game changer for me. I've been working out since for as long as I can remember now. Since high school, damn near middle school. And working out increases blood flow. Blood flow is the key to success when it comes to growing your beard. When it comes to, you know, down there.
Okay.
And just ultimately just a healthy lifestyle, guys. When it comes to blood flow, your heart is very important, obviously. And when you work out, you increase the blood flow, blood circulation, and all that good stuff. And ultimately, it promotes growth. It promotes, you know, your hair follicles to grow properly and grow fast as well. So I just noticed that working out, this just helped me a lot. Like anytime I work out and I'm sweating a lot and really just, you know, going hard and, you know, get the testosterone pumping and everything like that. And I've really noticed a difference when it comes to my hair growth. My hair grows really fast as opposed to if I just don't work out, which is not gonna happen. It's definitely helped me in my growth as far as getting my beard to where I want it to be. Guys, work out. If you're not working out already, guys, I recommend it. I think it'll help you in your beard journey and just ultimately just growing out your beard. And like I said, blood circulation is very important when it comes to overall health and ultimately when it comes to just hair growth in general, guys. But yeah, definitely work out, guys. Trust me on this one, y'all. Trust me. Definitely work out. It's going to increase your blood flow and ultimately increase your beard growth, okay? Tip number two, guys, you want to keep your skin clear, guys. Keep your skin clean of dirt and filth, guys. I cannot drill this in enough because think about it, y'all. If your pores are clogged up, you know, all over your face, but more importantly, your beard, within your beard, guys, if you shave this off, you're going to see your pores, guys. If your pores are clogged up, you know, with dirt and filth and just grime from throughout the day, you know what I'm saying? You're going to work, you're going to work out. And this is why I follow this tip up right after working out, guys. You got to wash your face. You got to, you know, keep your skin clear, guys, because that's the only way that's going to clear, you know, your follicles out so that you can ultimately grow faster, grow your beard out faster, guys. It's just going to ultimately help you in the long run. You want to keep your skin clear, guys. Nobody want to see you with no, you know, bumps and all that shit in your beard and on your face or whatever, guys. And that's ultimately, like, especially if you're starting off in your beard journey, you want to keep your skin clear, guys. Bumps, bruises, and just everything of that sort, because it's ultimately going to help your beard grow smoothly, efficiently, and healthy as well. You want a healthy beard, and in order for you to do that, you got to keep your skin clear, guys. Wash your face, wash your skin, keep your skin clear of debris and filth from throughout the day, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Get you a good wash, guys, for your skin, guys. You can go to the store. Don't use no regular soap, guys. Get a good quality wash with vitamins and minerals within it. And even like something like sea moss, guys. That's actually what I'm going to start using soon, really soon, because it has like 100 and plus minerals in that thing. So it'll help you in the long run and ultimately grow out your beard. So definitely keep your skin clear. Trust me. And that brings me to my next point. Tip number 3. Wash your beard. Wash your beard. Condition your beard. Listen, I cannot stress this enough. Like, you can't have no dirty, you can't grow a beard out efficiently if your beard is dirty, guys. Or if your chin area and your cheek area is dirty and filthy, guys. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Like, look at my beard, guys. I literally just got out the shower and I just washed my beard. And it's clean. You gotta keep it clean, guys. That's the only way you're gonna grow it out efficiently. It's really that simple. It's no, you know, scientific experiment that you need to do, no placebo, none of that shit. Like, just wash your beard. You gotta keep it washed.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Guys, you want to get you a quality wash. This is what I use, guys. This is by Shea Moisturizer, and this is a beard wash, guys. I use this faithfully. I'm not joking. I use this faithfully. I follow this up. I follow the wash up with the beard conditioner, guys. That it comes ultimately together, guys. You don't need to make it complicated, guys. Just wash your beard. Keep your beard clean, guys. You treat your beard like you treat your shit down there. You washing it, but some of y'all don't even wash y'all shit. But that's a whole nother story, guys.
What?
Wash your beard like you wash your whole body. Okay, when you take a shower, some of y'all not even washing your beard. Y'all just washing your body and that's it. Like, your face is a part of your body. It's a part of your hygiene, and including your beard, guys. If you want a beard, you gotta wash that shit. Even if you don't have a beard yet and you're trying to get to that point, keep it clean, guys. Keep it. Even if you have stubble, wash it, guys, because you wanna inject it with the nutrients and the proper minerals that it needs, guys. Especially for this. Like, this is something that you can use. I recommend it, and it smells really good as well, guys. That's another thing too. You wanna keep your beard smelling good, and this is gonna help you with that. Shea Moisturizer. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I'm just showing you what I use. That has helped me. And this is one of the first beard products that I've used when I was starting my beard journey. I've been growing my beard out for years now, guys. And I've probably cut my beard probably about twice, maybe 3 times in my life. And it's gotten back to this point. But as I said, I'm woofing out right now. But, you know, due to me woofing it out, I want to make sure that I really take care of it. So that when I do cut my hair, which I cut my hair myself, when I do trim it up to what I want it to look like, it's healthy, it's you know, it's shiny and it's soft and everything like that. Like, it's also gonna make your beard soft, guys. You want to keep your beard healthy, guys, and healthy looking. Some of y'all beard looking rough, and and that's why some of you guys can't grow it out, you know, efficiently as well, because you're not cleaning it. You're not keeping it clean. So I'm not trying to, you know, they don't say rocket scientists to figure that out. I don't have to drill this point in. It's really it should be self-explanatory, but apparently it's not, because of what I've been seeing, and a lot of people ask me what I use, and apparently they don't wash their beard at all. So I don't know, but yeah, this is my recommendation. If you need a beard wash, there are millions out there, but this is just one of the tools that I use. Shea Moisture is really good, and it gets the job done. So now that brings me to my next point number 3, guys. You want to moisturize and oil your beard, guys. It's very imperative that you do that. And just to, you know, show you what I use, what gets the job done for me. It might help you as well, maybe not, to each his own, but I'm gonna show you what I use. One of the products that I use is a beard oil. It's a Jamaican castor oil. Let's see if it can focus in, guys. This is really good. I actually recently discovered this one. Man, this thing gets the job done. It's not too oily or anything like that. It's thick. So if you guys have a thick beard, or if you're trying to get to that point, this will really help keep it in shape, especially when it comes to you shaping of your beard. Like, you know, you picking it out and you shaping it up, which is a tip that I gave to you guys in one of my last videos. You know, when you're picking it out before you go out, you know, you're going on a date or you're going out wherever, whatever the case may be. I like to shape my beard up, just in case you haven't cut your hair yet or you haven't cut your beard yet. You know, you want to shape it up, guys. Yeah, just in case, guys, you haven't, you know, gone to the barber or whatever the case may be, guys. You want to shape it up to the shape that you want it to be. I haven't shaped mine up. I actually just picked it out. I just moisturized it, conditioned it, washed my beard, and I just picked it out, guys. So it's looking kind of rough. But as I said before, I'm woofing it at the moment, so I'm not trying to cut it. So yeah, guys, you want to moisturize your beard. So that's this product. I really love this one, man. It has, if you know about Jamaican beard oils, guys, it has a lot of shit in this thing, man. It has a lot of vitamins and minerals, a lot of natural products, you know, and that's what you want to use. You want to use natural stuff sometimes. I like it. It works really good and it smells good as well. So you get the best of both worlds and it gets the job done, especially the fact that it's thick. So it kind of keeps your beard in shape if you're like picking it out, and really just ultimately helps your beard grow faster. Okay, so if you're really trying to grow your beard out, start from ground zero. I've been there. I had to start from ground zero just like you guys. And yeah, this is gonna help you. Trust me on this one. Another beard product that I love to use is this one right here. And I think you probably should use it too, especially if you want your beard to smell really good. Let's see if it focuses in. There you go. Guys, this shit right here, as you can see, is gone. I literally got to buy some more. That's how good this shit smells. It's a beard balm. It smells so good, man.
Ooh, that's good. I
use this, like, I'm not single anymore, but I still use it to this day. I don't give a damn. Like, this shit smells really good. If you are on a date or something like that, you know, you going out a date with your girl or you do whatever floats your boat, whatever. Guys, this shit smell good. If that person is in your face, up close and personal, they gonna smell this shit. It literally smells like a cologne. Like, you can put it on as a cologne. That's how good it smells. And as you can see, I'm not lying. I'm not capping. This shit is finished. This is one of the first beard products that I bought as well. Man, it just smells so good. Don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself. But have a moisturizer and a oil on hand, or a beard balm. You want to have that on hand at all times. That'll be the final thing that you put on after you're done washing it, condition it. You want to have a nice beard balm or oil to hold everything in place, hold your beard in place, and constantly, you know, moisturize your beard, man. It's just like your hair. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, you know, your eyebrows, whatever, you guys. You want to, it's just like putting on lotion. Like, you want to moisturize and take care of your beard, guys. Ultimately, it's going to keep it shiny. It's going to keep it healthy looking. And just full. Like, look at mine, guys. It took me a while to get to this point too, man. It took me years. So if you want to, you know, enhance your beard growth and help your and help your beard growth, guys, you got to use a moisturizer and conditioner. I'm sorry, a moisturizer and a balm, a beard balm. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Trust me. All right, guys, that brings me to my final point. Patience. You have to have patience. Patience. Don't cut it and just woof that shit out. I'm not joking. When I started my beard journey, yo, it was a struggle. It was a struggle. I used to just line up my beard. Imagine I cut my hair myself, but I used to just line it up. I used to have a skinny line, you know what I'm saying, and just my mustache or whatever the case may be. And over time, I would just like slowly line it up higher and higher to let it get thicker. But I never cut it down. I never cut it. I just let it woof out or whatever. And you can either do that, you know, just slowly line it up and gradually go higher as well, depending on what the look that you're going for. Like me, I like my beard to be high a little bit, not too high where it's like James Harden-ish. Nah, we're not going for that. That's not cool. Yeah, you have to have patience, guys. You gotta, if you're doing all of the tips that I just told you about, you'll be on your way. Trust me. It took me about a few years. I want to say maybe 2 years to grow my beard out. At the time, I didn't get my beard until after high school. You know, everybody genetics and is different or whatever the case may be. So mine, it took time. I didn't grow it out until after high school. But you have to have patience, guys. I don't recommend cutting it. Actually, the myth, I did some research on it. It's actually the myth that if you cut your beard, it's not gonna grow back faster per se. I don't know. You could do your research yourself, but it might start to go fast and then it'll just like stall, and then you'll just have stubble, and then, you know, a lot of people, what I realized with a lot of people, they don't have patience. They'll continuously cut it, you know, because they'll give up or whatever, and then try to go back out and then cut it again. Like, nah, you gotta just grow that shit out. And ultimately, don't continue to cut it. If you're trying to grow your beard out, why the hell are you cutting it? Don't cut it. Like, this ain't OT Genesis. Don't cut that shit. Like, just continue to just, you know, use the steps that I've been telling you to do. You don't have to do what you want, but I'm just recommending it if that's what you want. If you want a full beard, and just look more presentable, more masculine, and more like, you know, authority, like you a Spartan or some shit. I don't know. You want to stop cutting that shit. And even if and let's say you do cut it, use a razor. I recommend using a razor so that you can make it look full. Let's say you do get it, you know, higher, like I was explaining to you, like how I cut my beard. Use a razor, guys. Don't use a trimmer. Use a razor. you're gonna fuck up, guys. Trust me, you're gonna fuck up because you're gonna continuously cut that shit as opposed to using a razor to just like outline the top of it. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's just better for you in the long run to make it look more full and bigger. And also on the bottom of your beard, guys, you wanna, how I used to cut my beard as well, like when I had the line phase, like the chin strap, I call it a chin strap. I used to cut it, and then I used to just go like this, you know, on the bottom of your chin. I didn't let it get full like this, as you can see. But by doing this is what I changed up later on in life. It makes it look more full. It makes it look like you have it's like an illusion almost. It makes you look like you have a more full beard look. And ultimately it looks better. So yeah, man, I didn't want to make this video too long. Just want to give you guys some quick tips. So yeah, man, you could take it or leave it, you know, but I think it might help you in the long run if you're trying to get a beard, if it's, you know, you've been struggling so long and shit. I'm even give you some bonus tips, guys. Take vitamins. A lot of you guys don't take vitamins. I take mine. Vitamins will help promote growth as well. It'll stimulate your hair growth, the hair follicles, and all of that. Now, these are some tips that I haven't tried myself per se, but I have heard that they help some people. You can use minoxidil. Like I said, I haven't tried it for my beard. Apparently it helps. That's what they say. I recommend doing your research, but it's good for like if you're thinning, you know what I'm saying, and you're trying to like, you know, stimulate that follicle, your hair follicle, so it can grow. You could try that. Do your research on it because like I said, I haven't used it myself personally. And also you can use a derma roller. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, blood flow is very potent to getting your beard to grow. And with the derma roller, like I said, I haven't used it myself. I haven't needed it, but for some you might need it. What you're doing is just stimulate the growth. It's basically like puncturing, like making small incisions within your pores. That's ultimately going to stimulate beard growth. But like I said, do your research on it. You could discover it for yourself and see if that'll work for you per se. Like I said, if you don't have those tools on hand, you can just use what I've told you. Invest in that instead of investing in bullshit. And you really want to get your beard right, you want to get a beard, whatever, conditioner, workout, you know, if you want to get your beard right, like I said before, workout, guys, is very, very, very important. Drink a lot of water, take your vitamins and minerals, get a quality beard wash, a quality conditioner, and a quality beard balm and or oil, okay? Those are the keys to success when it comes to growing a full beard and growing a beard to your liking. And shit, and even when you go into the barber, guys, if you're trying to get a beard, guys, like I said, don't cut it. Tell the barber don't touch your shit. Literally, just tell them don't touch it. Do everything else, line up everything else, but don't touch your beard. Let it grow. Have patience. Leave it alone. Let that shit grow on its own. Now, if that shit don't grow in about 10 years, then yeah, you might be fucked. But it might just not be for you. But try the steps out that I've told you because it's helped me as well. I'm a living witness to it. And see how it works. But anyway, guys, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to come here and give you guys some tips on what I use to get my beard to what it is right now. And I hope, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you guys. But anyway, this is the boy signing out. This is Devontae, aka Molding Greatness. Let me know if you want some more tips, beard tips, and just stuff that I use to promote my beard to get it the way that it's looking right now. But anyway, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.